Welcome to the world of advanced foot care solutions, where technology and craftsmanship combine to create custom shoe lasts and midsoles. It all begins with precise measurements. Our foot scanners capture every detail, ensuring a perfect foundation for your shoe lasts and midsoles. A detailed 3D scan is created, guiding every step in custom shoe lasts that meet the unique needs of your patients. With advanced modeling software, professionals can design shoe lasts, midsoles, and plastic test shoes that meet every unique requirement. Choose the ideal method based on your workflow, milling or 3D printing. Our software seamlessly supports both and adapts to every production scale. From precise shoe lasts to perfectly tailored footwear, we provide the tools to achieve unmatched quality and fit. Join the future of last production. Contact us today and discover the possibilities. LutraCAD, outstanding software.